Good morning, YouTubers. It's Saturday morning. Hot Wheel collectors and whatnot. I haven't put a video up in a while. I had a tooth pulled on this past Tuesday. Really haven't been able to talk, whatnot. Won't get into the story, but here is my complete wheel swap with the 55 Chevy. It's not rolling so good because I got a bunch of shavings on the table and stuff. I haven't cleaned my mess off yet, but I'll get there. So there's the finished product. Real Rider tires. This was my donor car, Pong car. Got two of them. One's over there in my package. Or not in my package, but in my case Hot Wheels. Picked up a Flintstone. Is this 55 Chevy? Or no, 56 Ford actually. Car. So, enjoy the weekend.